Hello from central Stockholm, or more specifically in Solna, but obviously very close to the central part of Stockholm. As you can see, the beauty of Hornsberg and Kungsholmen on the other side, as well as the Alvik bridge just below the sun. And here in the area between Huvudsta and Västra Skogen, there is even Home Animals Park over here, and the Huvudsta strand, but it's not that far away. But I have chosen this spot over here as it is basically the same lake, and I'm not sure if I have taken a dip right here, but obviously it is the same water as the rest of the area, and on the other side in Hornsberg where I'm usually swimming. So yes, we continue the beach adventures, and today I'm here in central Stockholm to shift things a bit, as I usually visit the remote beaches close to my home. Today I'm in the city. It is 12:30 right now, and I'm here for a quick dip in Lake Mälaren. To be fair, this is Ulvsundasjön, this part of the lake here, but it's part of the whole lake Mälaren, which is the third largest lake in Sweden, and it's in Stockholm obviously. We have a wonderful November day, yet another sunny day. How is this possible? Tell me. Usually November is the most depressing month, but so far we have had such a blast. 14th of November, and beach the number 203 on Misfit Beach Adventures, so we continue strong. It is 7 degrees Celsius, so quite nice indeed, and I believe so it is warmer than that in the lake, but soon we're gonna find out that information as well. There are lots of people walking here along this promenade, obviously with winter clothes. And we can see also some of the buildings here that are in Västra Skogen that have stunning views over the Lake Mälaren. So if I am to choose one place to live in Stockholm, if I am about to move, I will definitely choose somewhere here in Västra Skogen with the lovely view of Mälaren. So some of the people are looking at me that are passing by, because I'm obviously in swimsuit. Because I'm going to take a swim here. Actually, it's going to be quite quick deep indeed. So let's then get going right away. Here this is not an official beach obviously, but it works for a quick dip like this. Quite warm in the water, to be fair. Let's see the verdict as I'm showing you the view over to Hornsberg on the other side. And as the sun is now very low, Hornsberg is not covered in sun at all. It is mainly under shadow, because the buildings are covering the sun right now currently. So I decided to come over to this side as it is super sunshine. And I was right. So 9 degrees Celsius in Mälaren, as you can see. So I was right that Mälaren keeps the temperature warmer for a longer time, which is also splendid as well. So here we have some rocks in the entrance, but it will be nice and suitable for a quick dip. So it's been a while since I had 9 degrees in the lake, but still it's not so much warmer than I am usually used to. So then time for a quick dip here on this wonderful Thursday on yet another location in Stockholm. So let's then go for a quick dip in Mälaren. So nice indeed. Here we have actually Pampas Marina, the boat club, as well as there are some houses itself on the lake further down. And that building over there is quite nice actually. I will check it if there are any apartments for sale over there. It looks super nice view, and I think it's facing west, so it can see the sun set as well. And now we have a plane incoming to Bromma airport. I believe this is the domestic flight because mostly those fly now. So yeah, quite nice spot for a quick dip on a November day like this. And I'm gonna let you wait to see the more of the airplane. I think it's a proper airplane. That's usually how the domestic flights operate. But I think that they are going to be moved to Orlando very soon. So here it's the right at the sun now, you can see it. And you can hear it as well. And Bromma airport is in that direction, very very close. That's actually Bromma area that the plane is flying off to right now. There is maybe 3 kilometers now from this spot where I am to the Bromma airport. And there you go. Thank you so much then for watching this episode. We also had to get to see the plane from close. So thanks a lot, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.